Welcome to our training today. Our topic is, quote, is the bull still charging? Is the bull market still intact or not? We'll get to that just about a minute or two. My name is David Miles. I'm the head coach and owner of Cash From Options LLC. I've been trading for probably 25 years, and it was hit and miss. Get a strategy. Beginning it was kind of ridiculous. I'd quickly lose money. Then I would work, do paper trading, get another one, trade it in the real market. It worked for a while, then it stopped working. Did this over and over and over again. And about 7 years ago, maybe 8, I came up with a current strategy after many trial and error attempts, and it was an expensive process. I wish I would have had a coach. I would have saved myself a lot of money if I had a good coach that knew how to trade the markets and was able to teach that to me. I've coached for the last about 11 and a half years for Robert Kiyosaki. Some of you recognize that name. He wrote the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. But I coached his paper asset program, which is stock options, for 11 and a half years. And then I retired and got bored and started my own company. Let's go to my website. And there's a lot of good information here. If you want to know about our coaching programs, packages and pricing, what they are, what you'll get. And basically it's 12 one-hour sessions each week. And I talk to you directly, I share my screen, teach you my strategy, send you all the course materials. And then on Mondays and Tuesdays, 1/2 hour before the market opens, we get together on a conference call, all of my clients, and we look for potential trades. And then when the market does actually open, I demonstrate and actually do take trades based on my strategy. And you guys can see that happen in real time, and that's a great way to learn. After the conference call, I will text out any new trades I find during the week. I will also text out any actions we need to take on open trades. So you will be constantly in contact with me. And I think I don't know how to teach the program any better than that. My website also has my trading strategy resources. I have a trading library. Good information there. You're welcome to look into that. What I offer free of charge is my trade examples each week directly to your inbox. I tell you what trade I made, trades that I've made, why I made them. I do basically weekly spreads and directional trades on calls and puts. Why I made them, and it comes directly to your inbox. So if you click on sign up, all I need is your name and your email address. I don't need your phone number. So feel free to sign up for that. I'll be happy to send those out to you. Let's look at the standard. Let's look at the S&P 500. And I did a training video about 10 days ago or 2 weeks explaining how these two lines here, which are moving averages, how they tell us if we are in a bull market or a bear market. Basically, when the red line penetrates the turquoise line from below, it signals the beginning of a bear market. And you can see how that worked right up until it turned around and crossed over to the downside. This was about 2000 right here, just before the dot-com bomb blew up. And what a great time to go to cash. And you're out of the market. Some people just lost everything here when they were just so heavily into internet businesses and things, most of which don't even exist today. A few of them made it, like Amazon, but most of them just crashed and people lost fortunes. Now, so if you follow my indicator, you're into cash. Now you get back into stocks right there, and up it goes. It crosses over. This was February, March of 2008, just before this big crash here. So you go to cash here. Some people lost 40, 50, 60% or more of their stock portfolio or their retirement account. excuse me, it was a disaster. So you're out of the market here, you're out of the market here, you're into the market there, you're into the market here, and then you get back into the market when the lines cross again, up we go. You can see that's an unprecedented bull market. And again, I recommend you go back and look at the video that I did, a week ago or so. But I wanted to update that video, and what is it doing now? Well, we saw the market make a double top here, came down very, very hard. All the experts are saying, are we in a bear market? Maybe so, I don't know. It breaks through support here, broke through this support line, and now there's no support anywhere. It's also moved below a 200-day moving average, which a lot of traders pay attention to. I haven't found this anywhere, the 200-day anywhere nearly as accurate as this. But here the market comes flying down like a lead balloon. The market, the 30-day turns sharply down. But now you see it leveling off. So until this red line crosses from above and penetrates the turquoise line, I'm going to be bullish on the market. And I will recommend to people that I advise, we're in a bull market. Again, this is long-term buy and hold. What I do is make very short-term trades based on the swings in the market, which they always happen. Bull market goes up long-term, like you can see there, but it always has corrections. So we successfully trade those market swings. Anyway, hope this is helpful. Check back often. I do a lot of these training videos. Feel free to browse my website, sign up for my trade examples, and I wish you guys the very best of luck in your trading. Hopefully we'll speak soon.